Hi boys and girls, thanks for popping into the Science Center today. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna do a little science experiment and I'm gonna record it all so you can watch the science experiment in the video. But then along the way, the video is gonna stop so you can answer some questions and think about our video a little bit more. So our science experiment today, we're gonna talk about magnets. And specifically, we're gonna think about, can magnets move through a liquid? Okay, before we get there, let's take a look at some items. Let's review what does a magnet attract to? So I have a couple things here, and here I have two different types of magnets, okay? So these came in your kit, so if you want to join me and do this experiment with me, you can hit pause and go get these supplies, okay? We have a glass, I've got a gum band or a rubber band. I've got a clippy clothespin, crayon, a paper clip, a Slither.io, one of Jeff's Slither.io toys, so it's plastic. I've got some paper post-it notes, and I have a wooden ruler, and I also have a screw too. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out which ones are magnetic and which ones aren't. Which ones are going to be magnetic and which ones are not? All right, welcome back. So let's see how you did. So I'm going to take my my magnet, and let's start with the glass. So does the glass pull towards me? Nope, it's not magnetic. Okay, so I'm going to stick that one over there in our not magnetic pile. How about the screw? Oh my goodness, let's watch that again. See how it just, it goes right up to the magnet? I don't even have to touch it. So this guy is magnetic. We'll make a magnetic pile up front. How about the rubber band? Nope, not coming to me. How about the clothespin? That part's not. But this part is. Wait a second, let's watch that again. This part at the back is not, but if I move my magnet towards the middle, oh my goodness. What if I have this side? That part's not magnetic. That part's not magnetic. But what about right there again? Oh, so we'll put that in the middle, and I want you to think about what makes that part magnetic. How about the crayon? Nope, it's not popping up to me. How about our post-it notes? Nope, not coming towards me, huh? How about Slither.io? Nope, not even moving. How about our paper clip? Wait a second, let's watch that again. Oh my golly gracious, that guy's magnetic, pops right to it. And how about my ruler? Nope. Let me flip it over. Nope. Nope, not moving at all. So what made these things in one pile magnetic and what made the things in the other pile not magnetic? Let's look at this pile. Oh, we had glass, gum band, crayon. So this is made of glass. This guy's made of wax. Get some things made of plastic, paper, and wood. And then these ones are made of metal. Now what about our clothespin? This part's wood, but what about this part in the middle? It's made of metal. So that's why whenever I held my magnet against the metal part, it was magnetic. So not the wooden part, but the metal part. Okay, nice job guys. So now we know what's magnetic, what makes something magnetic, and what makes it not magnetic. And now we're gonna do a little different experiment to see if we can move it through some liquid. So I have some vegetable oil, okay? And I have a glass of water, and I have corn syrup. So this is corn syrup, and corn syrup we use in cooking. It's sweet, so we use it to make candy. Put it in stuff that's sweet, desserts, okay? And also, you can get close, you can see that in each one I put 3 paper clips into each one already, okay? So I've already got my paper clips. We know that the glass is not magnetic. Oops, sorry about my fingers. No, the glass is not magnetic, but the paper clip, we already know the paper clip's magnetic. So let's take a minute for a second and let's stop and think about our hypothesis. What do you think? If I hold my magnet up to the glass, is my paper clip going to move to my magnet? What do you think? Let's stop for a second and make your hypothesis. All right, welcome back. So here we go. Are we ready for the experiment? I'm going to use this guy. I think it's a little bit easier with the glasses. So let's try our corn syrup our vegetable oil first. Okay, let me move it closer so that you can see. All right, here we go. So here goes my magnet. And you can see those paper clips at the bottom. Oh my goodness gracious. Look, I can move that paper clip all around. Oh my goodness gracious. Those paper clips come right to that magnet. Pretty cool. Oh, is that a part of your hypothesis? So now what do you think about the water? Do you think that they're going to move like that through the water? All right, let's find out. Here goes my... there it goes. Moving them all around. I can stick my magnet right there and it can come, I can move it right along with me. Pretty crazy. Okay, so we've got 2 down. What about our corn syrup? What do you think? Is it gonna move through the corn syrup? All right, 1 second. Also, let me tell you something that might help with your prediction, with your hypothesis. When I drop a paper clip in my corn syrup, here boys and girls, you can see, it goes right to the bottom right away. When I drop my paper clip in water, bloop, right to the bottom right away. When I drop my paper clip in corn syrup, look what it does, guys. It sits on the top and it's gonna start to eventually sink to the bottom, but it does take a while, doesn't it? All right, so here we go. Let's find out what happens with in the corn syrup, with our magnet and paper clips in the corn syrup. Oh, there it goes. It's still moving, isn't it? But remember how quickly it moved in the water? It's a little bit more sluggish, isn't it? A little bit slower in the corn syrup. Pretty interesting. So why? Why do you think that happened? Let's stop and write down what we did, or what we noticed. What did we notice happened? So yes, we noticed that this corn syrup was a little bit slower. The metal still came to the magnet through a liquid. It still came to it through all 3 liquids, but it was a little bit harder for the magnet, or for the paper clip to get to the magnet through the corn syrup, wasn't it? So why does that happen, guys? Well, corn syrup's real thick. It's thick, so it has a higher density, which just means that those atoms are closer together. So when it's trying to move, it has to push through that thick liquid a little bit more, so it's a little slower, but it still works. Pretty crazy. Can you believe it? Was your hypothesis right? What do you think? Did you think it was going to move through all 3 liquids? Can't wait to hear. All right, boys and girls, I hope you had a wonderful science experiment today, and I will see you back in class.